Morning, Maguire's Auto Family. This is Orlando Morales here at Maguire's Ford and Lincoln. Here we have a 2018 Ford F-150, and I'd like to go over that here. So here we have a very dark blue Platinum Edition F-150. We're looking at a fully loaded model with a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, fit with a power tailgate. So we're looking at that here, opening up. Remote start would be standard on this edition, so we just make sure vehicle's locked. And there you can hear that 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine packing lots of power. We'll dive right into the engine then. And here we see the power plant for the F-150 Platinum Edition. Pretty powerful numbers, they'll be listed right below. Going over the interior now, we have a power steering wheel, so you are able to control that automatically. We have navigation here, let's full screen that. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible. Heated and ventilated front seats, and actually back here we also have heated rear seats. Fast charging is supported down here. You also have an AC adapter here. And looking up to the sunroof here, we do have our normal sunroof, but we also have our panoramic setup back here for the second row. Now for this particular model, we're looking at 38,000 miles. We're sitting just above 50 for the price. Thank you for watching my review on the 2018 F-150. My name's Orlando, and we'd love to have you here at Maguire's Ford and Lincoln.